like we got an old Waco flying in now. Okay, so I'm here with my buddy and my neighbor, Larry Cleveland, and I got video that's gonna probably follow this clip of one time we sat in front of our house with a forest fire raging just the other side of a ridge, and we were cheering on tanker number 62. Right over Rachel Data Paz, go 62, go, go, go. Oh, go 62! Go, go, go 62! That's our resident plane, 62. You've seen a lot of other imports today, but that's ours. Old 62.
Yeah, he's flying there.
Really?
Yeah.
What's his name?
I can't remember his first name. It's Connors.
Connors?
He's married to Cindy Ryder. I went to school with.
Very cool. You saw it here live first. Wow. Bomber. This air brakes for pointing the nose towards the ground and hit the air brakes.